Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm K Marie if you don't already know me. So today I am going to be showing you guys how to get a nice, quick and easy natural makeup look. You're not going for anything glam, so I thought that this was a perfect, like, just to running a couple of errands, not doing too much, not really going to any events, but at the same time if I needed to go to an event, you know, at least I'm looking a little put together. Just a disclaimer, I am sick, so that's why my voice sounds like this. I'm like struggling to talk and breathe like normal people. So I hope you guys can understand what I'm saying in this video. So anyways, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Let's just go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start by combing back my edges. I just want them out of the way for the purposes of doing my makeup. I hate when my makeup gets all up into my edges, so I'm just gonna brush them back and I'll deal with them later. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face first. I am using Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfector. I got this from BeautyCon, so I have like a little sample of it. I absolutely love this. I don't wear makeup very often, but I have combination skin and this keeps me very matte in the places that I need it to. So I absolutely recommend this if you have oily skin or if you have combination skin. Right now my skin is cooperating a little bit better because the weather is changing. Usually in the winter and the fall, like, my makeup looks great. In the summertime, that's a different story. So just gonna put this all over. I think I need a little bit more. I actually don't wear makeup that much. I usually only wear it for special occasions because I break out so much and so badly. I just don't wear makeup, so unless it's like a special occasion, I'm walking around like this most of the time. Alright, so next we're gonna move on to foundation. I am going to be using, I'm mixing foundations, so I'm gonna use the Becca foundation Sienna. I'm going to mix that with this CoverGirl foundation. You can get this at your local drugstore. This I got at Sephora, of course, but this is in Ton. I mix foundations. This is a darker foundation. This is a lighter foundation. I mix foundations in the winter time because no one of my foundations is a true match for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix that together, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on my face. I like to use the brush. It just works for me. Again, this is a light beat, so I'm not doing color correcting or anything like that. I just want a nice even complexion. I'm not too worried about completely covering my blemishes. I just want it to be nice and even and skin-like. Unless I'm going like out somewhere, if I do wear makeup, this is pretty much what I do. I don't do anything crazy because, again, my skin is extremely sensitive. So if I'm out there caked up with makeup, best believe when I get back home, my skin is going to react to that. So I don't do anything crazy, just for my own good. Sorry about the background noise. My daughter is watching a movie and my mom is here. So they're downstairs watching a movie and they really got into it. And by the way, my voice sounds funny, I know, because like I'm sick, but I still wanted to come on here and show you guys a holiday look because Christmas is almost here. Got my little elf outfit on. Alright, so I bring my foundation up to my hairline, but I really don't like going all up into my hair because that gets crusty real quick. Alright, so moving on from foundation, I am going to go ahead and highlight and contour next. So for contour, I'm going to be using this Flawless by Zuri. I picked this up at Walmart, I think, a while ago. It's a foundation stick. I use this as a contour stick. I got this like a couple of shades darker than what I am, and it works great. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight first. Now, in the winter months, I like to use a powder highlighter versus a liquid highlighter, just because it just gives me the look that I'm going for a lot better. It works with my skin better. So this one is by Wet n Wild. This one was like, you can get this at Walmart, Target, you know, your local drugstore, whatever. It's not that expensive. This is a contouring palette. It's a contour and highlight palette. I only use the highlight portion of this. I don't use the contour part at all. I got Dulce de Leche. I'm going to go ahead and highlight under my eyes and my forehead and my chin. I'm going to use a beauty blender for that. I don't highlight all crazy or anything like that. I just want a nice, soft, natural highlight. I hope you guys are being safe this holiday season. There's so much going on with these kidnappings, and you just gotta be very careful when you're out here. I got my shopping done early for one, but I restrict myself to shopping during the daylight hours. If I cannot get my shopping done during the daylight hours, then it's just gonna have to wait till the next opportunity to shop during the daylight. I'm contouring now with the foundation stick that I showed you guys. But yeah, especially if you're alone, like I shop alone. I am alone a lot for the most part when I'm out running my errands. It's either just me and my daughter, or excuse me, it's either just me and my daughter, or just me. But for the most part, I shop in broad daylight. I'm not out after dark, and if I haven't gotten what I need to get, it's just gonna have to wait till tomorrow or the next opportunity to get that. I'm gonna go ahead and blend out, or actually I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my highlights. I'm just gonna take another beauty blender and I'm going to dampen it. I just use a spray bottle and like spray like twice on here. And I'm just gonna blend out my highlight. Just press it in some. But yeah, anyway, so yeah, I'm not out shopping late or doing much of anything. Even if I have to go to the grocery store, if it doesn't get done during the daylight hours, I just don't do it until the next day. So it can wait. But regardless of whether or not you're going to do it during the daylight hours or at night, you just need to be aware of your surroundings. Like, don't be on your phone. I know we love social media and we love to text and call people and stuff when we're out, we need to make sure that our eyes and our ears are aware of our surroundings. So like, get off of your phone when you're out in public. Make sure you know who is around you. Travel with other people if you can, and if you see something suspicious, 9 times out of 10, trust your gut. Because there have been too many situations where people are, you know, they're kidnapped in broad daylight, and it's so sad. And yeah, if you can, also like, carry mace with you, carry a taser with you. Personally, I carry one. I don't have a taser, but I carry mace with me, just in case. You know, you never know. Alright, so that is done. I do have moisturizer on my lips also, because I don't like doing chapped lips. My lips are chapped. Alright, so that's that. Next, I am going to go ahead and set my face, because that's all I'm going to do with, you know, this. I'm going to go ahead and set. Actually, should I add a little highlight? I think I'm going to add some highlight. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the NYC Sun and Bronze Bronzing Powder. I use this as a highlight sometimes. I have a bunch of different highlighters, but this is the one that I'm going to use today. I'm just going to, I don't have my highlight brush. Use this one. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and put some on. Not doing anything crazy. I like my highlight to be nice and simple, like not like I have too much going on. Because again, my everyday look is not super glammed up. So now if I were going to an event or something like that, I would definitely do a whole lot more. But for everyday, like, you know, just want to look a little bit more put together, this is what I do for the most part. Alright, next I'm going to go ahead and set my face. I like it to look a little bit more skin-like and just melt it in. So I'm going to take my Urban Decay All Nighter. This is one of my favorite setting sprays, and I'm just going to set my face with it. A lot. Okay, so it's all dry. This is my e.l.f. This is the liquid eyeliner in black. I'm just gonna line my eyes. I gotta do this part off camera because I need to be up close and be able to see. Alright, so I do a nice little winged eyeliner. It's not exactly the same on both sides, but but whatever. So I'm not wearing lashes today. I actually had eyelash extensions and I got them taken, or I took them out. They all came out. So I'm not gonna put on any lashes because when I do a natural beat, I don't put on any lashes. So I'm just gonna go in with this Volumizing mascara by Revlon. This is like my everyday mascara that I use. And I'm just going to put that on. Alright, so that is done. Next, we're gonna move on to lips. I'm gonna use this. This is one of my favorites. It's Matchmaker by Absolute New York. It is like a tinting lipstick. As you can see, this one's almost gone. I use this every single day, even if I'm not wearing makeup. I use this. This is in the color Blind Date. I actually got this from BeautyCon also. I love it. It's a clear. It looks kind of like a gel. It's like a clear lipstick, but it matches with your, I think your pH balance or your body temperature or whatever, and it actually like, the color changes. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on, and I don't put any on my top lip. I just go like that and see how red it got, and I only use like 2 swipes of this. And then I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty. This is in Fenty Glow lip gloss. I love this stuff. Again, it's another one of my favorites, and I'm just going to top it off. So I usually don't like separately put lip gloss on the top of my lip unless I'm doing lip liner with it. I don't know why I do that. I've just always been doing that. I don't do anything to my eyebrows at all. I don't get my eyebrows done. A lot of people ask me who do I go to for my eyebrows. I don't touch my eyebrows. Like, they're just not that important to me. So I've never gotten them arched. I've never gotten them microbladed or tweezed or shaped or anything like that. I just wake up and the most I'll do to my eyebrows is like this to, you know, if they look crazy, and that's it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fix up my hair now. All right, so you guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this quick, easy tutorial, just showing you guys some of the products that I use and how I achieve this basic, just on the go, quick drugstore look. So drugstore combination high-end, because I know some of the products were a little bit more high-end. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday, and until next time, stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye.